This is episode 4 of Unboxing Backpack Buddies with
Levi.
Hi everyone, this is Brent BB, and this is episode 4 of Unboxing Backpack Buddies with
Levi.
And he's gonna help me unbox this. Okay, are you ready to unbox it?
Yeah.
Levi?
Can I do it?
Yes. Some of his videos he's in are gonna pop up. Reset. Go.
Who is it? I hope it's that one.
Oh,
What do you hope it is?
Timmy, Tommy. I hope it's Isabel or Sable.
Oh, Sable?
Yeah. Oh no,
This one's
Sable.
Sable.
Which one? You hope it's Timmy and or Tommy?
Yeah.
Awesome.
What if it was the ones that you already got? Who
That
is
would be
it?
awesome.
Did you already get him?
It's Porter. I kind of forgot. I don't think I got him. Awesome. Actually, I didn't. Levi. Good job, Levi. You unboxed this awesome character. Do you think this is a good animal or a good character? Or both?
I don't know.
Of course.
I don't like
all the
it.
animals are awesome. You can do stop motion videos with this character and all these characters. You can play video games with it. Just kidding. It's not like Amiibo. But
Hello! Don't touch me.
hello? I'm trying to find my way back to the boat to go home.
The boat?
This is an Animal Crossing New Leaf and another game. I want to do this video outside on the grass because it's spring. Thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure to like the video if you want to. Make sure to subscribe if you want to. And comment if you want to.